Circular is a secure digital marketplace which allows close to expiry or ugly food to be sold to food processors who will transform them into new consumables. With Circular, people, private citizens as well as businesses can now have a direct access to a circular economy solution.
The solution is a collection system for old items such as electronics, clothes, toys and books. So we provide this collection through an app where you can book a collection or pickup directly from your household, and is implemented via electric bikes that go to your household, and we make sure that these items are either recycled or reused in a responsible way.
With the green thermal wall, we reduce the financial footprint and insulation that buildings use, with the potential integration of material waste and recyclability of the end of the life. We'll make our cities greener, reduce pollution and make cleaner and healthy places to live.
Our kilo upcycles bioplastic materials, achieving sustainability and circularity. Our kilo is part of a new wave of industrial innovation, and we do that in our own local micro-factories. We sell customized and personalized high-quality objects to the clients of our clients, increasing the value of plastic waste from 0 to 100.
Turbo Wind is a hybrid microturbine which exploits the wind conditions typical of urban contexts. With its small size and high performance, it can be an excellent tool to achieve energy sustainability and independence.
We started with the question, how might we change the function and form of a kilogram of plastic material endlessly, while maintaining the material quality? Plastic is a valuable material, but we just need to keep the material in the loop for its lifespan. Combining responsible business model innovation with artistic experiments made us collaborate and share the same mission.
Over the years, the demand for energy in cities has been skyrocketing, and green transition is now mandatory to fix this problem, since traditional sources can no longer be the solution if we want to reduce pollution and guarantee a sustainable world to future generations.
Along the food value chain, the actors lack direct access to a circular economy solution. So the idea behind Circular was born to address this burning problem, which is about ever-increasing food loss and waste.
The idea of green thermal wall emerged from a discussion between Singular Green and Idermat that has the potential to provide a unique solution to the green wall market, providing cleaner air and lower CO2 emissions from building use, while integrating a circular economy approach.
We are 3 startups in the consortium, a circular economy consultant, app developer for collection system of old items, and a producer of electric bikes. Every citizen in an urban environment has such old items in their household. Therefore, by providing a collection system, we make sure to create a closed-loop system for these items.
Taking in consideration that cities are the main contribution of CO2 emissions due to the large amount of building concentrations, green thermal wall is the combination of a circular approach on construction materials, safe pure, with the benefits of plants integrated in green walls that allow to purify air in the cities while reducing burden cost for the implementation.
We have a local focus, and we work without extracting new materials, always recycled material. We provide a circular solution to ensure that the material stays in a closed loop through our local micro-factories and our tracking system.
Our turbine can obtain the best use of wind power, thus avoiding any waste of this important natural resource. Moreover, circularity by design is one of the main goals of our project. In fact, Turbo Wind is built with recyclable materials, which can in turn be recycled at the end of its lifetime.
The Circular marketplace allows close to expiry or ugly food which will otherwise be wasted to be sold to food processors through the marketplace. This is how Circular is bringing circularity not only to cities but also to the agri-food domain. DigiTouch and Greenpoint apply to DigiCirc due to its unique offerings. For example, equity-free seed grant, access to one-to-one business coaching, thematic mentoring, and building European partnerships.
DigiCirc was a perfect opportunity for us to come together and pilot such solution.
DigiCirc providing solutions that use more sustainably raw materials, lower energy consumptions, while reducing contamination impacting our cities. DigiCirc was, therefore, the perfect acceleration program to validate the green thermal business model.
DigiCirc came at exactly the right moment. We had been working on the concept and initial proofs, but needed to take a next step. A program focused on circular cities and using digital technologies to enable this transition was exactly what we needed. The structured approach and possible investment made us apply.
In our constant effort for improvement, we wanted to try ourselves as well as grow our expertise with the several tools that DigiCirc put at our disposal. We realized that the DigiCirc Accelerator could provide the support that we needed at a crucial phase of our development.
The DigiCirc Accelerator pushed us to go from a concept to a full operational business. The trainings and mentoring we received made sure that we kept our focus. And of course, without winning the demo day and receiving the possibility to invest in our microfactory, we would have never been able to run the pilots and attract the partners and interest we have today.
The DigiCirc Accelerator has been a cornerstone behind the success of the project. We have benefited immensely from the accelerator in terms of the technical development, business plan development with Arturo, validating the entire marketplace with real customers at Greenpoint in Murska Sobota, Slovenia.
The intense training of the DigiCirc Accelerator and the friendly and supportive support of our coach, Joanna, has allowed us to refine strategically our business model and realize the whole potential of green thermal wall, while mitigating and financial risk of its technology validation with end users.
And the program gave us the opportunity to refine our solution with the help of mentors and to launch a successful pilot project in the Netherlands using branded cargo e-bicycles for door-to-door collection.
DigiCirc was a booster to our progress. Not only our technological skills improved thanks to the mentoring sessions with their useful advice, but also the business coaching proved to be a turning point in planning the development of our project from the marketing point of view. This allowed Iostobo Wind to evolve from an idea to a product, which can be successfully commercialized.
In 2030, our Kilo wants to have at least 10 local microfactories in different cities throughout Europe to contribute to the EU missions of climate-neutral cities. We have become the expert on bioplastic upcycling and are the reference point for how to keep materials in the loop.
In the coming months, we are continuing to expand to new municipalities and measure the environmental impact of avoided incineration and sustainable bicycle collection.
A wider business plan is ahead of us. Singular Green and Intermat will from now lead the path towards thermal efficient green wall all over Europe, and we will be looking for those cities that want to part of those 100 cities to be climate neutral.
For us, this is both a challenge and an opportunity. So we will continue our efforts in the R&D to deliver the optimal solution to a problem that concerns everyone. That is, making independent, sustainable power affordable to consumers.
In future, we are planning to raise Series A funding from private as well as public sources so that we can scale up and maintain our operations in long term and expand into the rest of Europe.